Here is one of the configurations with this bag. Flip your skis, curl those tips down. You could also carry 2 sets. So, you know, one set of skis here, one set of skis here, and face a binding up. This is super secure and super bomber. Plus, you're not poking your butt even if you come back on it. It's a smooth transition there. I've got an extra coat and some gear that the skis are kind of stacked on to right now at a little higher level. So that could go up or down, but it's so bombered out on the back here, and it's just super quick to release. Just pull your straps off, and then undo your buckles, and boom, you're off and running. And the cool thing is, even if you got to flip the sled over, that's secure enough that you can roll the sled and not get into too much trouble. I feel like some of the other things I used to do trying to tie stuff on, it was off the side. When you go to roll it, you just get into trouble and have to remove everything. But this has worked well for me the one time I had to roll it. It's a good setup. I like this bag a lot.